With decentralized finance turning into all the rage, calculation and science-upheld digital currencies appear to be administering the blockchain foundation world, while government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies. Digital currencies are picking up speed. Right now governing the Atom digital currency trades, Cosmos Network is flooding ahead with delicate Mint Center and its special Byzantine adaptation to internal failure, having announced its speculation worth $15 million. Cosmos digital currency can be exchanged through crypto trades. The Cosmos Network helps the development of Atom token, Cosmos digital money, all the more prevalently known by its local symbolic atom, has as of late been dynamic in the crypto market, performing supernatural occurrences. Before we start with genuine Cosmos cost expectation, we should really take a look at itemized outline of the coin. Cosmos, the secret decoded. Cosmos is portrayed as blockchain 3.0. The environment highlights brilliant agreement usefulness as well as offers a safe and exceptionally secure arrangement of exchange and exchanging without any mediators included. Cosmos environment additionally contains Cosmos Center. The organization's Hyperblocks auxiliary runs validators that assist with getting the Cosmos blockchain. Cosmos Network utilizes a non-concurrent Byzantine issue lenient agreement model to approve exchanges. Cosmos is a token on the Cosmos Center. Atom tokens are utilized for security purposes, blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this cryptographic money. The whole peculiarity and central focal point of Cosmos is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint, as well as involving Cosmos for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations, applications, games, to give some examples which can be based on the stage. It gives them worldwide extension, a wide organization of clients and dApps, and constant turns of events and updates. Cosmos, the worldwide benefit. Atom clients will generally send and get installments in their preferred money through savvy contracts, as Atom handles the transformation through atomic trades between cross-chain crypto resources. More benefits follow. Multifunctional ascribes of Atom empower differentiated utilizations of existing applications, including security and well-being of information and exchanges. Atom guarantees openness, particularly in different layer arrangements, variety of utilization stages presented on Atom, making a strange encounter. Intertradability is one more key element of Atom through DEX's mechanism of Atom empowers versatility features supporting portable applications, and designer packs are incredibly easy to understand and have their autonomous calculation. A plenty of DeFi applications can be posted on Atom's sidechains. Cosmos, verifiable information and specialized examination. Instability is the sign of any digital currencies, as is valid for Cosmos also. In December 2019, Cosmos began its progressive yet consistent presentation. Despite the fact that it saw a fall and bull run in WAC 2020 to a low of $1.60, it had followed the recuperation way. The pandemic appears to have made way for Cosmos with its remarkable presentation. Cosmos has beaten a record gain according to crypto figures by accomplishing the cost of Cosmos to $6.50, finishing strong for exchanging. The help level is $29.93 and opposition level is $33.32. News. In view of our cost expectations and Cosmos cost examination, a drawn-out increment is normal at Cosmos value. The visualization for 2026 is $173.33 in light of the ongoing development. With a 5-year venture, the cost activity income is supposed to be around plus 380.81% in the Cosmos cryptographic money market. In view of our Atom cost forecast, the greatest worth may be around $33.52, a base cost of $26.19 toward the finish of 2022. The typical Cosmos cost for December 2022 may be $21.70. Cosmos cost figures toward the finish of 2023 may be around $46.60. Cosmos cost expectations. The ATOM USD will shoot up and arrive at a Cosmos value scope of $120.16. In the long run, possibly scaling even to an astounding $1 trillion market cap because of the ascent popular for DeFi resource in the following 5 years to stop by dealers. As per news in our Atom cost forecast, a ton of Atom projections are in the pipeline anticipating discharge. Right from the start idea search stage to the testing stage, and before the year's over, a great deal of new undertakings would have been finished, thus, generally around bullish value forecasts of crossing a record-breaking high of digital money cost $31.47, setting out additional open doors to exchange. Purchase Cosmos, making it a productive speculation. Starting from the start of this current year, the coin has reflected colossal force. Toward the finish of January 2021, the Atom coin denoted a sharp spike to $25. However, from that point onward, it plunged to $17. Then, from last month, Cosmos again denoted a gigantic convention and enrolled another record-breaking high of $32.14. Be then as it may, as of late, it confronted a sharp decay. Cosmos cost today weights around $30.26 with a market capitalization of $8,656,770,273.81 and a flown inventory of $286,370,297 atom. The 24 hours exchanging volume of Cosmos is $607,883,319.19. The ongoing cost of Cosmos is $31.06. Cosmos Value Forecast 2022. As per Atom Forecast, with numerous organizations and coordinated efforts in local area financing, the cryptographic money market glances back at Atom to perform, arriving at a value level of $63, which is very hopeful yet clearly practical toward 2022 in the transient's end. Cosmos Value Expectation 2023. With any progressions engulfed, arrangements and guidelines, the Atom cost might have its portion of murky days. In the event that Atom cost holds the help at the 100 SMA solidly, purchasers will then, at that point, have more than adequate opportunity to sell Cosmos for acquiring benefit and strength. In the principle, around 50% of the cost may be $60. Toward the finish of 2023, the anticipated high of Atom may be around $75. Cosmos Value Expectation 2024. Dashing up to peak won't be thus so challenging for Cosmos cost, as extra short, medium, and long-haul value targets can be found to trade Atom. Beginning with at least $63 in the drawn out, it might cross $90. Cosmos Value Forecast 2025. A TOM, USD however dove yet in view of forecasts and opposition level. One of the most bullish on-chain measurements for Atom is the critical expansion in the quantity of Atom coins kept into the agreement. In the principle, around 50% of the cost may be $81. Cosmos cost is said to give promising indications, arriving at a peak of $105 toward the finish of 2025. Cosmos Value Expectation 2026. Updates will push the adaptability of the Cosmos organization to one exchanges each second, moving the blockchain business from energy escalated philosophy. As per Cosmos cost expectations, in the primary portion of the year 2026, the cost could reach to $90. The blockchain network is really famous with various ventures based on it. Given the headways are kept up with, we can see the cost of Atom to reach $120, making it an unsurpassed high in the following 5 years. How does Cosmos Atom cost gain importance? On the lookout. Only the trust of financial backers has made a vertical flood in the Cosmos Atom cost, demonstrating its legitimacy against rivals. As in previously mentioned expectations, Cosmos has endured the trial of times and merits financial backers' well-deserved cash to purchase and for exchanging. Might Cosmos Atom at any point make you rich? For sure, Atom could end up being a truly significant and manageable kind of revenue cave. You plan every one of your ventures shrewdly and decisively. As an excavator or customary financial backer of the cash, Atom could end up being a feasible